Excuse me, do you live alone?
Hi loves, I'm Sneha. Today we are doing soft grunge makeup look. So we are starting off with color corrector. First take the product on the back of your hand, then apply it where you have hyperpigmentation. If you have dark circles like me or hyperpigmentation, you should use one. Mine is from Inside Cosmetics in shade warm yellow. I'm using only concealer for this look. If you want, you can use foundation too. I'm applying it where I need little coverage. For me, concealer gives me enough coverage. You can use foundation first if you want, then you should use your concealer. You can totally use your foundation for extra coverage. Then let this sit on your face for 1 minute for good coverage. Then blend it with a blender. Dab it on your face instead of dragging. You can totally use a brush if you want to, but for beginners I will suggest blenders only. The next step is bronzer. Bronzer is good if you want that sun-kissed look. To be honest, it's one of my favorite steps. Apply it on your cheekbones and temples with a brush. Apply it on your eyelids as well. You can use a foundation or a concealer darker than your skin tone as a bronzer too. I'm using this berry tone shade as my blush. Apply it on your cheeks and your nose. You can also blend with your fingers as well. I may have blush blindness. Then I'm using this setting powder from Pond's. I'm gonna dust off the extra product. Then set your under eyes and your T-zone area. Then it's time for your brows. I'm using this Mars brow pencil. I'm gonna fill in my brows for this look. I'm a beginner when it comes to brows. I guess it's fine. Then I'm gonna use this light brown color as my eyeshadow base and blend it. Then I'm applying this kajal or kohl. I'm gonna apply it on my top waterline. It's okay if you mess up a little, we're gonna fix this. Then we're gonna blend this with a brush like this. Make sure you don't poke your eyes while doing this. Then take a shade darker than your base shade like this and apply close to the kajal like this. Blend it upwards. Apply the same kajal in your waterline. Make sure you don't poke your eyes. Be careful while doing this. And smudge it a little with the brush like this. Then apply the same dark brown shadow under your waterline like this. It looks like someone punched me, but trust the process, guys. Then take the black eyeliner, make a snatched wing like this. Then repeat the process on the other eye. Then curl your lashes, it makes a huge difference. Then I'm using this sky high mascara from Maybelline. I use it like this for more volume. You can use fake eyelashes if you want, but for this look I don't think it's necessary. Looks good, I guess. And this is optional. Take a lipstick like this, apply it under your eyes for the sleepy drunk look. Then I'm applying this highlighter on my nose and my cheekbones. Then I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty in shade Bobby Brown. Basically for this look you need to have a muted lip shade. Smudge it a little with your fingers. I do lip contouring with this lip liner. You can take any lip liner similar to this shade for lip contouring if you want. Take any light brown lipstick and apply it. Make sure you smudge a little afterwards. This is Roman Velvet Tint in shade Berry-Knit, one of my favorite. I'm applying it in middle of my lips, then smudging it with my finger. And we are almost done, guys. Then I'm gonna set this with the makeup fixer. Spray it on your face and let it dry. And we are done. It's giving baddie. If you like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll post more like this weekly. If you think I can improve anything, let me know.
Mwah. No balls.
Okay, bye bye.